Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. This is gonna be a quick video, man. What we're gonna do today, man, we're about to install these lights right here. I have my blue LED light kit for my interior. So if you're new to the channel, man, make sure you go like, subscribe to the channel, man. Smash that subscribe button, man. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video, man. But let's get into it, man. So we got that one in, and I use this one here. Use this little one here. So you got two latches right here. You use a flathead, pull it down. In the video, I slapped my camera so I couldn't show y'all. On there, you can say 2 loop screws. Again, you see those 2 clamps right here. Zoom in. Right there. So it takes a T20 star bit. I really think they sent me the wrong stuff. This is not even long enough. So I had to ghetto-fy it. You can see the kit says it fits, but it definitely does not fit on the back. So this, I'm trying to get y'all a good glimpse of it. I'm turning the light off. So I got like a wire in there. See how it's too short, so it's just kind of stupid, but I'm not gonna send anything back. It's pointless. We're not gonna do it this way. It's ghetto-fied, but obviously it still works. Just a wire. All you need is extra wire for anything. That's pretty much it. We're going to put that back in. And once again, this does take a T20. It's the same T20 that you take off with the same T20 all the way around. So you don't want to use that for everything else. So just remember how it goes back in. I got confused like hell. I was like, how the hell is this sticking out? But this will go like this. If you forgot, see that? It'll go in there like that. So just make sure you just double look at what you got. And then make sure before you put everything back together, make sure you make the light work. video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go like and subscribe to the channel, man. Notification bell so you get notified every time I post a video, man. I'll see y'all soon.